Hello, fellow translators. So I just wanted to do a quick video because I have just received this notice, and I think it will be quite interesting to many of you. This is Pros.com has these translation contests every now and then, where literally they just give you a text and you translate it and kind of submit it, and then it gets judged by a group, a panel basically of other translators and people at Pros, and they pick a winner. And we just received this new one once again, from pros.com. And the way it works is there are three source texts. One is in English, one is in French, and one is in Spanish. Obviously, the texts themselves are very different. And you can translate either one of these into whichever language. These are the languages that they've already been translated into. Otherwise, you can pick here, depending on your language combination. So if you translate from English, French, or Spanish, then I recommend doing it. Really, there's nothing to lose, and you can practice translating it and then submitting it and seeing how it goes. Because these, obviously, the translation contests, they don't pay anything. At least I'm pretty sure they don't. But they are something that you can feature on your resume, on your portfolio, because it is public knowledge. In fact, I think they list here. You can see who has won previously. And here they show you some contest statistics because also quite a few people apply. I think you do need to be a pros.com member, but I always recommend being a member of pros.com anyway, regardless. But here you can see these are the past winners. In fact, these are the number of times they have won. So some people, like Teresa Borges, is apparently enters these quite a bit and wins quite a lot. But everyone who wins, it becomes public knowledge, and here you have the statistics. So as you can see, 681 people have won out of any contest. That's only 8.7% of contestants, and the 6.4% of entries win. So obviously quite a few people apply, quite a few people submit something, and then they don't win. So just keep that in mind. Not everyone's going to win, but still, it's why not try? And whenever you have some spare time, just try to do it. It has 3 or 4 paragraphs, and you might as well give it a go and see how it goes. I'll link to. I think the link was basically this: pros.com translation dash contests /65. I think the rest of this is just the stuff that pops up from the email. It's going to become a mess. Anyway, I'll link to it down in the description below, so you can feel free to check it out. Once again, the submission phase is until November 23rd, and I'm taping this today. I think it's the 26th or 27th. Yeah, the 27th. But depending on when I post this, I'll post this in the next few days, I guess. And so yeah, feel free to check it out. There's plenty of time left, and you can try your hand out, and hopefully you can win. And if you do win, I'd absolutely love to hear about it, because I'd be curious to see your version, your translation, and to hear how it was. That's pretty much it. I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.